Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you NUASI 4G LTE security camera system for outdoor use. And it's really wireless because we have no Wi-Fi, but we have no wiring connection via the power supply because the power supply comes by a solar panel and a battery. Of course, you can use a USB-C or AC adapter to operate this wired connected. That's possible, but the main thing is solar powered. It's a solar wireless security camera system with PIR motion detection, 2K HD PTZ night vision, two-way talk, and IP66. Waterproof, baby. It's available in black and white. This 4G solar security camera system operates on a 4G network and comes with a SIM card that includes 300 MB of trial data. The 4G camera automatically connects to the strongest signal for the stable and fast transmission. With a 100% wireless design and no need for an external power supply, it's incredibly easy to use and to install. It does not support Wi-Fi because it is a camera system which supports mobile. That's really cool. And the solar powered security camera can take 2K and 3 megapixel photos or videos. The photos and videos are clear and rich in detail. In unobstructed environments, it can record images from a distance of approximately 12 meters. The 4G security camera can rotate 355 degrees horizontally and 100 degrees vertically, pan and tilt. Automatic tracking of moving object is not supported because this needs too much data, because it's better to save data because of the mobile. The NUASI security camera for outdoor boasted excellent night vision capabilities. This allowing us for a clear recording even in complete darkness, thanks to its infrared function. Additionally, this home security camera supports two-way audio, enabling communication with couriers, visitors, and other individuals as needed. And the Solar 4G CCTV camera features previous motion detection. This ensuring us we won't be bothered by fault alerts triggered by leaves, bird, insects, and so on. When movement is detected, the camera promptly sends us a notification through the app. This allows us to stay informed about any event directly through our device. And the IP camera can store events to a local memory cards. It supports up to 128 GB, included a 32 GB card. Or you can use a cloud service, 30-day trial, for later playback and download anytime, anywhere via U-Box app. Through the 4G network, we could share an IP camera via the app with our family or friends. This achieves watch the live footage together. NUASI Intelligent Security Product Development Department was established in 2015, and it is a high-tech company integrated research and development, production and sales. The mission is to create an intelligent, harmonious, and beautiful life through the technology, becoming our personal security expert and taking care of every detail of our life. This is the NUASI 4G 2K security camera with SIM card and 32 GB memory card. This camera supports data plans from EE, O2, Vodafone, 3 and Telecom, and so on. We take note that there may be situations where the signal is unstable and cannot be connected. For this, we contact first the provider that there is a good signal strength, and then we can make the installation, or we make the installation and check this out. It's no problem, okay? So we have a 360 view, nearly, a color night vision, we have a PRM motion detection, and two-way audio. Everything what this cool camera needs. The SIM card comes with 300 megabyte of data as test data. When 80% of the data is used up, the mobile data should be purchased via the U-Box app. Otherwise, the camera will be disconnected. There are 1 gigabit of mobile data sufficient to transfer approximately 2,000 photos. We have an easy installation process, as you can see in that video here. First step is, of course, we download the app, and the right app is the U-Box app, U-B-O-X app. Of course, we have to insert the nano SIM card, and if you like, the SD card, micro SD card, to enable everything. After you install, you pair them together, then it's ready and you can use it. So easy because it's mobile. You does not need to enter Wi-Fi network connection and so on. It's only the SIM card which need there to be enabled and transfer data. So you can transfer data from all areas of the world. That's really cool. Take pictures, make videos with the NUASI 4G LTE security camera S40. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.